Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, I am bringing you guys a laundry motivation video. It has honestly been several weeks or maybe a couple of months since I've put out a laundry video. So if you are needing any type of motivation, whether it's laundry, I also have some cleaning in this video as well. So like I said, if you are needing any type of motivation, let's go ahead and get it done together today.
No matter what I say, it's black or white, not gray. Gotta stay loose when next to you.
So if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that laundry is like my least favorite chore. I honestly feel super accomplished when I get it done just because it's not my favorite thing to do. So I actually had clothes on the cabinetry that I needed to put up from several days ago. So that's what I'm doing here. And then we do have a pretty large load that we're going to take out of the dryer in just a little bit to go ahead and tackle that. I do add some cleaning in here just because my kitchen was a hot mess. So I wanted to go ahead and tackle that. So I was like, why not go ahead and record it and give you guys a little bit of cleaning motivation as well. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and tackle this large load of laundry and then we'll work on cleaning the kitchen after that.
We're next to you for sure, or else you get loose. There's no pick and choose for sure. Don't shift, don't change. Keep driving me crazy. Easy gets colorless. I like your man. Gotta stay loose. We're next to you. I wanna be sure, or else you get loose. There's no pick and choose for sure.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it all, 'cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny.
I want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me here on my channel. I am so close to getting monetized. It has been like over 4 years. Definitely been off and on, but I made myself a promise in January to be consistent and give you guys all the motivation and inspiration in regards to my clean with me's or my organize with me's. So all of those different type of videos that I'm putting out to you guys, I should be monetized probably by the end of September. So that will definitely be a milestone when it comes to YouTube. So if you are a YouTuber and you are just now getting started, consistency is key. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support. And if you are new here, thank you for clicking this video, and I hope this video inspires you to get something done today. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to put your notification bell on. It'll notify you every time I post new content. Some of my videos that I'll be posting within the next few weeks will be, of course, more clean with me's, but I also have a closet organization video I want to get out to you guys as well.
You had to let me go. go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies, maybe stop telling me lies.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
So clearly it has been several hours later. I think I started this video around 4:45 and now it's around 7:30 at night. So definitely laundry is like one of those things, it does take all day, and I think that might be what I dread the most, just because I'm definitely a type of person, when I'm doing something, I want to see my end result right then. And with laundry, you necessarily don't see that until like the end of the day, or you know, after you fold the load or whatever. But I think that might be why I feel I have such a love-hate relationship with laundry. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get it done today. And then I also have Eleni's laundry that I need to tackle. It is over like 2 to 3 weeks worth of clothes. We honestly only wash and dry her clothes maybe once every month or so. So it's going to be a ton of clothes you're going to see me put up. And then I also organized her drawers as well. So stay tuned for that towards the end of this video. Now we are in Eleni's room, and I have a ton of laundry to do in here. So we have this massive pile to tackle. I did have the top of her comforter because we have the Betty's bedding, and I just had the top comforter in the wash, and I had just recently put it in the dryer, so that's why her bed is not made. But like I said, we're going to tackle this huge load of laundry, and then I'm also going to fix her drawers. So that's one tip that I have for you guys. Whenever you are putting up your clothes, definitely take the time to organize your drawers. Just take that extra 5 to 10 minutes so that way it doesn't pile up on you. So very, very important to go ahead and organize your space whenever you are putting up your laundry. Another tip I would say is that anytime you are hanging up your clothes and you run out of hangers, you guys probably noticed towards the beginning of this video when I was putting up shirts that I was running out to where I had to take a couple of things off the hangers. So those are items that I either haven't worn in a while or that I know I need to donate. So I also use that time to organize my space as well by decluttering and making sure I have enough hangers for my clothes. And I know that if I don't, it's either time to organize or I just take that extra time to declutter and reorganize that space.
What we need what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. Don't play me, cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day. Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll, yeah. to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today, whether that's a load of laundry or just to simply make your bed. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.